Everybody wants a cool home in summer, but what if your Nest thermostat just isn't cutting it? Here's what could be going wrong. First, check if your Nest is set to cool mode. Sometimes, it's as simple as a wrong setting. Next, look at the temperature. Make sure your target temperature is lower than the current room temperature. Still not cooling? Take a look at your Nest display. If you see a warning or a blinking light, there might be a wiring problem. Always turn off power at the breaker before checking wires. Loose or disconnected wires can stop your AC from working. If wiring looks fine, check your air filter. A dirty filter can block airflow and stop your system from cooling. Swap it out if it looks clogged. Also, check your circuit breakers or fuses. Sometimes the system isn't getting power and just needs a reset. Finally, if you've tried these steps and it's still not working, your AC system might need professional help. Call an HVAC technician for a closer look. So, before you sweat it out, follow these simple steps. You might save yourself time, money, and a lot of hot days.